Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Lee. I come from Bukit Mentajam, the northern part of Semenanjung, Malaysia, or Peninsular Malaysia, near Butterworth. And now I'm staying in Kluang, Johor. So I actually grew up in Bukit Mentajam, and then I left Bukit Mentajam after my secondary school, and seldom go back to Bukit Mentajam, although I love my hometown. So I was educated primary and secondary school in Convent Bukit Mentajam, CBM. Okay, and I did my Form 6, of course, in Penang Island. Okay, so like I said, I have left my hometown but not my heart. Okay, just physically I have left Bukit Mentajam, and I think if you are from there, you probably know that from Bukit Mentajam, she must be a Hokkien or a Teochew. So me, I'm a pure Teochew because my father and mother, both of them, Teochew. So me too, 100% Teochew. Okay. Now, welcome to my channel. Just a little about me. Welcome to my channel, and thank you for joining me to learn from me. We are now at lesson 23, simple future tense, page 61, if you have this book. I'm actually uploading my book, my second book. My first book, level 1, 38 lessons, all in. Every question, every page, every question is in my YouTube channel. You can search level 1. Now I'm uploading level 2. And of course, level 2, we have passed half of this book. The same thing. I'm actually uploading every question, every page, every chapter, or every lesson. So this is the inside of my book. It is written in bilingual, Dui Bahasa, in Bahasa Melayu and English for the explanation part. For the questions, of course, it's not possible to set the question in BM. So for the questions, it's 100% English. And this is the inside of the book, my book. Actually, what I want to show you is the content. 40 lessons altogether. 133 pages altogether. We are now at lesson 23, so that we have 17 more lessons to go and this book is finished. Page 61. In total, 133 pages, excluding the answers. The pages for the answers. I'm talking about the text. So we are now at page 61. So another 70 over pages, and I have already uploaded every question, every page, every lesson of my book, level 2. All right. So what is lesson 23? Simple future tense. It tells you very clearly future, things that are going to happen in the future. Example, tomorrow, next year, soon, later, afterwards. All this will show you, will tell you that you need to use simple future tense. So tenses, sometimes, because tenses are difficult and they are challenging. So sometimes students will think, or learners of English will think, why so many tenses, present tense, past tense? Well, because it's important. Okay, there's no other language as detailed as English. Okay, so that's why it's used in the court. We need to know when it happened, or in our everyday life. We are actually doing things according to the time. So tenses is actually time. Simple future tense is time, the future. Okay, So the rule is very simple. As you have learned before, pronouns there are 7. I, you, we, they. He, she, it. 7 pronouns altogether. Usually, I, you, we, they, one family. He, she, it, another family. But as you learned from me, my last video, past continuous tense, it doesn't work that way. Past continuous tense, I, he, she, it, not I, you, we, they anymore. It's I, he, she, it, we use was. You, we, they, we use were. Today, it's different again. I and we are very special. We can use shall, we can use will. Both are okay. After shall, after will, we must use the base form. The base form means to say, behind the verb, you cannot put S, you cannot put ED, you cannot put ING. That is called the base form. So you can see all these are the base forms. Okay? No S, no ED, no ING. So, for you, they, he, she, it, we use will plus the base form. If we are talking about one person, one animal, one thing, one place, we use will plus the base form. If we are talking about more than one person, more than one animal, more than one place, more than one thing, then we use will plus the base form. We don't use shall. We only use shall for I and we only. Alright? So exercise 1. If you have this book, then you can turn to page 61. If you don't, it doesn't matter. I will read and you just listen. We will cycle to school tomorrow. We shall cycle to school tomorrow. Both are okay. Because for I and we can use shall, we can also use will. The important thing is, after the word shall, it must be the base form. After the word will, it must be the base form. And what is the time? Tomorrow. Tomorrow is the future. Puan Jamilan will teach us science next year. Next year, next week, next month. Next decade, future tense. It has not happened. Okay? They will move to a new house soon. Soon is the future. It's coming, but it is not here yet. Alright? He will visit his grandparents next Sunday. Again, you can see next. And then you see he. He will use will. After will, the base form. You cannot use shall. Shall is for I and we only. The cobbler will mend the shoes tomorrow. Please don't use repair shoes. I have seen, I have seen people writing repair shoes. No, you can't repair shoes. You mend shoes. Of course, the meaning is repair, but it's not the word that is used for shoes. For clothes, even, mend. You don't say repair. Because I have seen, those roadside tailors, that help us to, to mend. They write in English, at the side there, they write repair clothes. So I see and then I think, this tailor should use mend, not repair, but it's okay, we understand. I shall wash or I will wash the dishes later. Later has not happened. It's going to happen, but it has not happened. Alright? You will start a new job next month. Next month. October. Now is September. It's the future. She will cook a pot of curry afterwards. Actually, afterwards and later are almost the same. Again, it's the future. It's not going to happen anytime now. The maid will sweep the floor later. Same. Later, afterwards are the same. Actually, for me, I think that they are the same. Because I can say later, I can say afterwards. That means it's not going to happen now. It's going to happen, after this, whatever we are doing. Okay, so this is what we have to know. Remember that I and we need to use shall, but we can use will. After shall and will, we need to use the base form. Base form means to the verb, you don't put S, you don't put ED, you don't put ING. And then for You, they, he, she, it, one, more than one, we can only use will, we cannot use shall. So same, after will, put the base form of the verb. No S, no ED, no ING. Okay, so it's rather a simple exercise. So you can see that I only have 9 questions. I was thinking, one exercise should be enough to let you know how to use. Because there's only one small exception. I, we use shall. I, we can use will. The rest only use will. So I can't imagine, myself giving many exercises to do when the regulation or the rule is so limited. So I thought 9 questions should be enough. Okay, so remember that the future is something that we plan. Now let us face it, in real life, do we use will? Is simple future tense important? Yes. Why? Because every day in our lives, we plan for the future. Every day. Even mothers who stay at home, they plan for their children, they plan for themselves, their husband, their family. They plan. Hey, tomorrow we do this, next year we are going to do that, and next week I will send him somewhere, for tuition, for music class, for whatever. So, in life we are always planning. Even if you are working in a company, does the company plan? If a company does not plan, that company is waiting to close down, No plan. Of course you have plan. And next week we will do this, next year we will, we will conquer this market, we will expand our business, we will do this, we will do that, we shall do this, we shall do that. You see? Or in a government department. Or our government, you can hear our Prime Minister when he talks, we will do this, I will do this, I will improve the economy, I will make sure that the rakyat is, are comfortable. You see, all future tense. The government, our government, even in our company, our school, our family, I myself, I have to have plans. So I will do this, I will do that. See or not? So is it important? Yes. And tenses are important because when you need proof, when did it happen? Or when will it happen? In the court, in your company, when you are having a meeting, when you are talking with your friends, you will use simple future tense. Because we all have plans for tomorrow, for next year, for next week. For the future, we all have our plans. For students, important or not simple future tense? Very important. Why? Let us say the essay topic is my plans for the future, or me in 10 years time, my ambition, the world in 2030, our country in 2030. Is it the future tense? Yes. You have to use will plus the base form. Okay, so it's very important. Very, very important. Even when we talk to people, we use will. Because we want them to know that we are not talking about now. We are talking about a plan. We are talking about something that will happen in the future, or we think will happen in the future. Therefore, we need to use simple future tense. Just remember that I and we can use shall, we can use will. The rest, we use will. After the word will or shall, we use the base form. That means for the verb, we don't put S, we don't add ED, we don't add ING, that's all. Very simple. Okay, so my class ends now. Remember to give me a like, share and subscribe. Okay, and if you are interested to buy my books, either book 1, book 2 or both, you can. You can just, a very simple procedure, just WhatsApp to me, 019-7878-299. Let me know that you want, and I will arrange for the books to be sent to you by courier. Okay? Courier service. And if you want to learn how to, oral English, how to speak, how to answer, you can go to my TikTok or my Instagram. You can, this is the account ID, you can just go in and have a look. My YouTube channel is specially for me to teach, for me to upload my books. So I I separate them. So I don't want to mix everything together. And the future, I will. See? Future. So coming soon, I'm opening my English language centers. Cyberjaya, Subang Jaya, SS15, that area. So if you are from that area, Cyberjaya or Subang Jaya or around there, or you can go there, then you can come and meet me in person. Okay? Whatever you need to help you, you can come and see me. Whether it's your work or it's your, your own improvement or your studies, come and see me. Let me teach you. And my English centers are very wide, the courses is from little children to primary, secondary school and school leavers, university students and graduates, working people, housewives or civil servants, all in. Okay, I have courses for every month. And I teach English that is used in Malaysia and also outside Malaysia. For example, IELTS or TOEFL. Okay, there's a new one coming in already. If I'm not wrong, it's called PTE for those people who wish to go to Australia. So come and see me. Okay, and let me help you. Whatever problems you may have. Okay. So again, remember, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you the next video. Lesson 24, the next one. Okay? Thank you for watching.